This is how to get a discount on Wix in April 2025. If you've been looking to save big on a website builder this month, you're in luck. With Wix premium plans, you'll get everything you need to build a high-performing website, a free domain for a year, increased storage, and no Wix ads, and advanced features to customize your site exactly how you want. So first off, what is Wix? Wix is a top-rated website builder known for its easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor, customizable design templates, and powerful tools for businesses, creatives, and entrepreneurs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced website owner, Wix offers solutions tailored to your needs, including websites, blogs, online stores, and portfolio sites. With a reputation for flexibility and reliability, millions of users trust Wix to power their online presence. So if you want to ensure you're getting the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below. Once you click that, you can go ahead and get started for free by entering your email address and start now. Here you can see they have 4 different plans here. So starting off with the light plan, this is just $17 a month, and this gets you a free domain for the year, 2 gigabytes of storage, multi-cloud hosting, light marketing suite, and 2 site collaborators. Next is the core plan, and this is just $29 per month. With this plan, you get the free domain for the year, you get 50 gigabytes of storage space, multi-cloud hosting, basic marketing suite. You also can accept payments. You also get access to the basic e-commerce and 5 site collaborators. Next, and the recommended, is the business plan, and this is just $36 per month. With this plan, you get a free domain for the year, 100 gigabytes of storage space, multi-cloud hosting, the standard marketing suite. You also can accept payments, and you get the standard e-commerce site. With this plan, you also get 10 site collaborators. Lastly is the business plan, and this is $159 per month. With this plan, you get the free domain. You also get unlimited storage, multi-cloud hosting, advanced marketing suite, advanced e-commerce, and 100 site collaborators. So they also have a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if before those 14 days are up, you don't feel like it's the best fit, you can go ahead and get your money back. Again, that link is in the description, and these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This just helps us to continue to create high quality content. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you in advance for your support. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.